Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Spectrum cable box keeps saying boot, startup loop troubleshooting. When a Spectrum cable box displays boot repeatedly or gets stuck in a startup loop, it usually means the device is failing its internal startup check, suffering from a corrupted firmware handshake or experiencing a signal timeout. To resolve the error, must force the box to clear its temporary cache, re-establish a signal handshake, or refresh its firmware update. Fix 1. Perform a deep power cycle. Unplug the power cord directly from the back of the Spectrum box or from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds, then press and hold the physical power button on the front of the cable box for 15 seconds while it is still unplugged to drain remaining power. Now plug the power cord back in tightly, ensuring it is connected directly to a wall outlet rather than a crowded power strip to rule out voltage drops. Fix 2. Check and receive the coaxial cable. If the box cannot establish a stable handshake with Spectrum server, it will repeatedly attempt to reboot to find a signal. So locate the threaded coaxial cable attached to the cable in port on the back of the box. Unscrew it completely, inspect the copper pin inside to ensure it isn't bent, and screw it back in tightly. Then trace the other end to the wall outlet or splitter and ensure the connection is fully secured. Fix 3. Send a signal refresh via the My Spectrum app. Log into the My Spectrum app on the mobile device or sign into your profile on the official Spectrum account page. Navigate to the Services or Equipment tab and select your affected TV cable box from the equipment list. Choose Troubleshoot or Reset Equipment. This sends a remote signal from Spectrum servers to force initialize the box. Fix 4. Remove any internal hard drive overloads, DVR boxes. Disconnect any external USB storage devices attached to the box. Give the box adequate physical space. If the DVR box overheats due to lack of ventilation, it will continually reset to protect the hard drive. Fix 5. Isolate the bad connection. Remove the coaxial cable, HDMI cable, audio cables, and any external storage devices from the back of the box. Only leave the power cord plugged in. Next, boot the box. Turn the box on with just the power cord connected. And if it gets past boots and likely shows a no signal or no connection error code, the box itself is healthy. The problem is a faulty cable or external device causing a loop. Proceed to the next step. If it still gets stuck on boot, the issue is strictly internal to the box or its power adapter, meaning the box needs to be replaced. Fix 6. Testing the cables one by one. Step 1. Test the HDMI cable. Turn off the box, plug into the HDMI cable to your TV and turn it back on. If it loops now, your HDMI cable has a short or the TV's HDMI port is sending an improper hardware handshake signal. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. Step 2. Test the coaxial cable. If HDMI works fine, turn the box off and reconnect the threaded coaxial cable. Turn the box on. If it loops now, there is voltage issue or severe signal noise coming from your wall outlet, a bad splitter, or a damaged copper pin inside the cable itself. Fix 7. Swap the hardware at a Spectrum store. You do not need to wait for a technician. Unplug the box, place it in the bag with its power supply, and bring it to the nearest Spectrum store. They will swap it for a new box immediately free of charge, which you can plug in and activate at home. You can find the Spectrum nearby store by visiting Spectrum page and entering your address. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.